Ratings are way down for On Topic.
Oh, really?
Really low.
And what are we going to do? Because even Billy isn't here this week.
I've sorted that problem out. Nobody will ever know. Sheer brilliance. Oh. Joey, this TV's rubbish. It's not that bad. I mean, Ready Steady Cook was on before.
Joey! Who the hell is this fugitive?
Calm down.
But Billy, I thought he was you.
Me? He doesn't look as hard as me. He's even got me shorts on.
Billy, he is actually quite hard.
Hard? As hard as cyanide, Sid Cooper?
Aye. Bill, look, I'm sorry, but you know, you were away. There's not much we could do. I mean, he is a good replacement, and he's a great actor. I mean, Paulie says, you know, what makes them tick is really taking with ratings. I mean, ratings are way down. I mean, these used to be flying off the shelves, the action figure, but I mean, they're not even going anywhere now. I mean, what are we going to do?
Well, he's not as great as old school me, is he?
He's not as great as you, Bill.
No, he never will be as great as me.
But look, we need a new character. Do you agree?
I agree we could do a new character.
All right.
We need somebody who can be as good as me, and you'll have to go somewhere to find that. Even halfway.
What could his character be?
What do you think?
I do.
You do? Well, it might be alright, like.
Yeah! Ladybird! It's brilliant! It's genius! Oh!
Where's knee Peter Beasley, is he?
You're not wrong.
Agree.
I agree.
Yeah, ladybirds.
Oh, come on, Joey. You've got to get this ladybird character off this show.
Why?
Because he's no good, not as good as the likes of me, whose sheer brilliance. Isn't that a fair enough assumption? There's a petition for you.
What?
Names, man.
What? A petition to get him off the show?
Yes!
William Jefferson Morrison.
That's me, sure.
And Lex Storm. I mean, oh, it's been crossed out. Lex Fleisch? What's this about? Why don't you want him on the show just to see how cool and sexy he is? He's like character of Saved by the Bell of the college years. He's like Zach Morris.
Well, all these signatures on this petition, on the other side, I've got the lyrics to keep on running.
Give us a verse then.
Keep on running. Keep on hiding. One fine day, I'm
Yeah, ladybirds. Bill, what are you doing?
I was annoyed when Lex went off with Johnny Storm.
Jody Fleisch.
Shut up, you!
Bill, just give it a rest. Look, we've got a due date. We need to get on topic of film. So, you ready, guys? Come on, let's just go film.
Love and marriage, love and marriage.
Is that Billy Morrison at the door?
Hey!
Well, hello, Bill.
Hey!
Hiya, honey, my dear, I'm home.
Yay! How was the shoe start today, Bill? Yay!
Good day today.
Woo!
Been a bit hard, but good day.
Hang on, what are you doing? We're filming here.
I'm filming here.
No, we're filming here. We've come here to do what makes them tick.
Well, we're here doing On Topic. You know what? I think it's time to go to war.
Oh, yeah? Go for it!